Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create a Bip account. At first you have to download the Bip app from the Google Play Store and install the app. So let's begin the tutorial. Go to the Play Store. Search Bip and install. Wait for a moment. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Open. Click on the Get Bip'n. Continue. Allow. You have to select your country. Enter your phone number. Get verification code. Yes. Wait for a moment. Allow. Enter your name here. Click here and select your profile picture. Okay. Done. Allow. Close. You can see your messages here. You can see your call list here. You can get others option here. Click on the profile. Enter your profession. Done. Now your Bip account is fully ready to use. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.